Good morning, children. Today we will start with exercise 16.2, question number 2, fill in the blanks. The first question is solved in your book. The second question I am solving you. What is given? Cost price equal rupees 300, profit equal 40 rupees. We have to find selling price and we have to find profit percent. How to find selling price and profit percent? See. Profit is given, we have to find profit percent. We know the formula of profit percent. Profit percent equal profit into 100 upon cost price. Now, what is the value of profit? Profit is rupees 40 into 100 upon what is cost price? 300. Cancel this 0, 0. That is 40 upon 3. If you divide 40 upon 3, you will get 13 whole 1 upon 3%. This is profit percent. Is it clear? See, the third question, cost price is given 500, profit is given 25. We have to find again the same profit percent. Profit percent equal profit into 100 upon cost price. How much is the profit? Profit is 25 rupees into 100 upon what is cost price? That is 500. Cancel this 0, 0. Then with the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. How much percent you got? 5% is the profit. The rest two question number 4 and 5 is your homework. You try to solve. Now we will see question number 3. The first question is solved in your book. Second question I am starting. Selling price is given rupees 150. Loss is given 30. We have to find cost price and we have to find the loss percentage. Now we know the formula of loss percent. First we will find cost price. Cost price equal selling price plus loss. That is 150 plus loss is 30. That is rupees 180. Now we can find loss percent. What is the formula of loss percent? Loss into 100 upon cost price. Now, how much is the loss? Loss is rupees 30 into 100 upon what is the cost price? Cost price is 180. Cancel this 0 and 0. Then cancel with the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 6 ja 18. Then again cancel with the table of 2. 2 3 ja 6. 250 is 100, that is 50 upon 3. If you cancel 50 with 3, the mixed fraction will be there, 16 whole 2 upon 3%. You divide, you will get 16 whole 2 upon 3%. Selling price is given rupees 1400, profit is given 280. We have to find cost price and we have to find profit. To find out cost price, we know the formula selling price minus profit. Now, what is selling price? 1400 minus profit is 280. Subtract it, you will get 1120. Now, we have to find profit percent. Profit percent equal profit into 100 upon cost price. What is the profit? Profit is rupees 280 multiply 100 upon what is the cost price? That is 1120. Cancel this 0 and 0. With the table of 2 you cancel it. With the table of 2 you cancel it. 2 5 ja 10. 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. Now with the table of 7. 7 2 ja 14. 7 8 ja 56. Now with the table of 4. 4 2 is 8, 4, 25 is 100. Cancel this 2 and 2. Then how much is left? 25%. Question number 4 and 5 is your homework. You try to do it. Now we will see question number 4. Now see question number 4. The cost of an item is rupees 120 and selling price is rupees 150. Then find out the profit percent. What it is given? First it is given cost price equal rupees 120. Then selling price, what it is given? Rupees 150. We have to find out profit percent. To find out profit percent, first we have to find out profit. The formula of profit is selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? Selling price is 150. What is cost price? It is 120. You subtract it, it will be rupees 30. Now we have to find out profit percent. The formula of profit percent is profit multiply 100 upon cost price. Now, what is the profit? Profit we got, that is 30 rupees, multiply 100. What is the cost price? Cost price is 120. Cancel this 0 and 0. Then with the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. So, profit percent equal 25%. How much is the profit percent? That is 25%. Question number 5. Jyotsna purchased a watch for rupees 380 and sold for rupees 342. What was her loss percentage? We have to find loss percentage. What it is given? Cost price equal rupees 380. Selling price equal rupees 342. First we have to find out loss. Loss equal cost price minus selling price. What is cost price? That is 380 minus selling price 342. If you subtract, you will get rupees 38. We have to find loss percent. The formula of loss percent is loss into 100 upon cost price. How much is the loss? 38 into 100 upon cost price, that is 380. Cancel this 0 0. 38 1 ja, 38 1 ja. How much is left? 10%. So what is the loss percent? Is 10%. Now see question number 6. A shopkeeper purchased 15 radio at the rate of rupees 720 per radio. The cost of one radio is 720. Then we have to find the cost of 15 radio. Then question is said, and sold all the radios for rupees, and the 15 radios he has sold for rupees 4,200. Then the question, find out his profit or loss percent. Then we have to find out it is his profit or loss. After that we have to find its profit percent or loss percent. Check how to do. Cost price. How many radios of? 15 radios into how much is the cost of one radio? That is 270. Then how much it is coming? 4,050. Then selling price. What is the selling price given for 15 radios? That is 4,200. Now we have to find, this is cost price, this is selling price. Selling price is greater. Selling price is greater than the cost price. So it is profit. So profit formula is selling price minus cost price. Now what is the selling price? 4,200 minus cost price is 4,050. You subtract it, you will get rupees 150. What is the profit? Profit is rupees 150. Now we have to find profit percent. The profit percent formula is profit into 100 upon cost price. Now how much is the profit? Profit is rupees 150 multiply by 100 upon what is the cost price? That is 4050. Cancel this 0 and 0. Now with the table of 5 you cancel. 5 8 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5. Again with the table of 5, 5 3 ja 15. Now again with the table of 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 remaining 21, 3 7 ja 21. That is 100 upon 27. If you divide 100 upon 27 in the mix, it will be 3 whole 19 upon 27%. What is the profit percent? 3 whole 19 upon 27%. Question number 7. If there is a loss of rupees 50 per watch when selling it for rupees 450, find its selling price to obtain a profit of 20%. We have to find its selling price for 450. So what it is given? Selling price of a watch, how much it is given? Rupees 450. Then what is the loss given? Loss is given rupees 50. So we have to find the cost price. The formula of cost price is selling price plus loss. Then how much is the selling price? 450 plus 50. That is rupees 500. Cost price is rupees 500. Now how much is the profit we got? Profit 20%. So we can find out profit. Profit equal cost price into how much it is given? Profit percent upon 100. How much is the cost price? 500 is the cost price. Then multiply. Profit percent, how much it is given? 20% upon 100. Now you cancel this 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 50 into 2. How much? That is rupees 100. Now we have to find selling price of that. Selling price equal cost price plus profit. Now how much was the cost price? It was, the cost price was rupees 500 and profit how much we got? That is 100. So selling price how much we got? 500 plus 100, that is 600. To find its selling price to obtain the profit of 20%, the selling price is rupees 600.